What are you doing there, Kory?
We're gonna vacuum, put a vacuum on this system here so we know that the cooling system is sealed. And then there's an attachment. This will go down into our coolant. We'll open the valve. We have an attachment that is a siphon vacuum, and it'll pull up to about 25 inches of mercury in here. We'll put this in the coolant. We'll open the valve and it'll fill itself, eliminating all air bubbles throughout the system. That way, when we're done with this, we don't have to use a burper, risk spilling fluid over, and we'll see a leak before we actually start the car, so we don't have to take everything apart again.
Sounds good. Woo! The diesel. I think Johnny was trying to shift overdrive and transmission at the same time. Woods Off-Road. Cherokee Chief LS Swap Day 4. Scotty Bush.
That's me.
Producer, salesman extraordinaire. Let's go on inside. Cody hooked us up with a cooler. So here's the Chief. We are just a little ways away from putting this down on its own wheels and taking it for a drive. Shayne's finishing up the exhaust. We got a bunch of bends from Flowmaster 70 series muffler. Earlier today we got the Radflo 2.0 shocks in. Remote reservoir. Super high stuff. Speaking of which, we can go look at the exhaust Shayne's built so far. The man is a craftsman. Oh, bad lighting. So you got all 2.5 inch. Beautiful transition there. Goes back to the big block 70 series muffler. And he's tested it in the tailpipe now. Shop dogs get antsy. So these V-clamps. Okay. That's it for now. Check that later. We'll fire it up and I'll splice this together.
All right.
First maiden voyage with the LS. That's alright.
Seat the rings a little bit. Who wants throttle?
Who wants throttle?
I don't believe everyone wants throttle.
A little heavy load to seat the rings in.
That is a good choice on the muffler. That's a nice tone.
That's awesome. Great job.
Nice, clean daily driving conversation.
Last time we did do an RC